So, chances are you're already using AI for your schoolwork. But here's the big question. Are you using it to think, or are you just using it to get answers? We're going to explore how you can turn AI from a simple answer machine into a powerful thinking partner, a tool that actually makes you smarter. You know that feeling, right? You're stuck on a project, staring at a blank page, just wishing you had a little spark of inspiration, a superpower to help you untangle all those complicated ideas and just get started? Well, guess what? That superpower is already here. It's not some futuristic fantasy. It's right there on your screen, and it has the potential to totally change how you do research and how you learn. So let's dive in and really look at what makes artificial intelligence this brand new research superpower for students like you. I mean, think of AI as your own brilliant, super fast assistant. It's perfect for that moment when you just don't know where to begin. It can throw ideas at you when you're stuck. It can take a really complex topic and explain it in a much simpler way. And it can even help you map out your entire research plan by suggesting questions you hadn't even thought of. Okay, but like in any good superhero story, this amazing power, it comes with a catch. There are some hidden flaws, and if you don't know what they are, they can cause some pretty serious problems. And here it is, the single most important thing to remember. AI can be confidently wrong. It can get its facts totally mixed up, miss out on crucial details, oversimplify really complex ideas, or, and this is a big one, it can just completely make stuff up. This making things up thing actually has a name. It's called hallucinating. It's when the AI spits out information that sounds totally plausible but has zero basis in reality or actual data. It's not trying to lie to you, not really. It's just predicting the next word in a sentence, even if that path leads it straight into fiction. So what does all this mean for you? It brings us to the number one most important, non-negotiable rule of using AI for school. You should never, ever just copy and paste what it says. You have to treat everything it gives you as a starting point, maybe a suggestion, but never, ever the final answer. So if the AI isn't the source of truth, then who is? Well, this is where everything shifts, because the real thinker in this whole equation is you. You have to remember, AI is just a tool. It's no different than a calculator or a library book. The most powerful processor in this whole operation is and always will be your brain. You are the one in charge here. Let's break down this partnership. The AI's job is to give you the raw materials, right? It can suggest ideas, simplify concepts, and summarize text. But your job is to do the real work. You have to check the facts, you have to think critically about them, and then you have to create something new and original. So what does that actually look like, being an active researcher? It means you verify every single fact. You have to ask yourself, do I really get this, or am I just repeating what the machine told me? Real learning, the kind that sticks, it starts when you can explain the ideas in your own words and back them up with other real sources. This is really the key takeaway, the one thing to remember. AI is there to help you think. It should kickstart your brain, get your own thoughts flowing, but it should not do the thinking for you. All right, so knowing all of that, how do we actually use AI like a pro? Let's get into the practical step-by-step playbook. It all starts with the question you ask. You've probably heard the phrase, garbage in, garbage out. Well, it's totally true here. If you ask a weak, vague question like, tell me about space, you're going to get a generic, pretty useless answer. But if you ask a strong, specific question, like, what are the main planets in our solar system, and one key fact about each, now you're giving the AI clear directions to get you a valuable starting point. So the pro user process is pretty simple, but it's really powerful. First, you ask a great, specific question. Then you actually read the answer. Don't just skim it. Really try to understand it. But don't stop there. This next step is absolutely crucial. You have to challenge the AI. Ask it follow-up questions like, can you explain that more simply? Or what's the source for that fact? And finally, you take all that raw material and you create something new in your own voice. Now, when you start following this playbook, something amazing starts to happen. It's not just about getting your assignment done anymore. It's about who you become in the process. When it comes down to it, you're really at a fork in the road. There's the easy path, just letting the AI do all the work for you. But that's a dead end. You don't learn, you don't grow, your brain just kind of sits there. But the smart path, the one where you use AI to support your own thinking, that's where the real magic happens. You become a sharper thinker, a stronger researcher, and way more of an independent learner. So I'll leave you with one simple question to ask yourself every single time you use an AI for your schoolwork. Who's doing the thinking here, me or the machine? Because being a great learner isn't about who gets the answers the fastest. It's about who understands the most. Use this superpower wisely, and your goal won't just be to finish the assignment. It'll be to gain real knowledge that actually sticks with you.